Here's a new 2023 Chrysler 300. No other full-size sedan sets you apart from the pack like this 300. From its sculpted curves to its bold wheels, the pride in what you drive begins before you even open the door to the luxurious interior. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, rear-wheel drive, and V6 engine. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.